Well, it is nice and cloudy and rainy out here in Vegas. So there is a beautiful break from the heat, the crushing heat, and I have got the sr20 hatch right here. There's no AC in it, so I don't get to drive it during the day very much. I don't know if I'm going to use this video on YouTube or throw it away. We'll find out later. I'm going to go cruise Red Rock Canyon outside of southwest Las Vegas right now. And if there's some cool shots or something, then maybe this will make it onto YouTube. That's some good ass out there. This place is full of ass. I found this little like valley community thing out here off of Red Rock Canyon, and it's like so green as compared to the rest of Vegas. Everything else looks like that, but this place is all like that. Ah, botched attempt. Thank you, Joe.